knew this problem was coming down the pike, especially with this Biden administration. I just knew it was coming. I'm going to leave the link to this article in the description section. Conservative Free Market Coalition opposes weaponizing antitrust laws. Okay, check this out. A new letter opposing the weaponizing of antitrust laws by Congress was released this week, signed by over 30 free market groups. While left-wing proponents may sell these bills as the answer to conservative censorship online, empowering unaccountable bureaucrats would only increase the potential for government abuse of Americans' free speech rights, including those of conservatives. The coalition urges senators to reject antitrust legislation that would give the Biden administration and any future administration new power to reshape the economy. And they have a clip of the actual letter underneath. Dear Senator, despite full control of Congress and President Joe Biden in the Oval Office, the Democratic Party finds many of its top legislative priorities stalled. Polls indicate that Democrats will likely lose control of both the House and Senate in the midterm election. As the clock ticks between now and November, savvy progressives will likely try to rush through any legislation that has a chance of bipartisan support. So they want to accuse conservatives in this letter of being like we're the problem. And they basically throwing Hail Marys right now because they know starting in November it's going to be a red blizzard. It's going to wipe away like all this far left liberalism crap that this country has been going through the last couple years since this goober got into office. And that's what he is, a goober. Gomer Pyle type dude. That's all he is. He don't even know, if you look at him when he does any kind of public appearances, he don't even know where he's at half the time. This video clip of him having to, I don't know if they were going to read books to children or whatever, and his wife had, first of all, he was barely able to understand what the plan was, what they were about to do. He read maybe 2 sentences and said, okay, your turn. She has to tell him when and where to sit, when and where to go. His cognitive faculties is out of whack. He should be in a senior citizen home somewhere. And you idiots that voted for him got him and this airhead vice president. You don't even know where she's at half the damn time. She can't even form complete sentences. And then you got these goofballs appointing this lady to the Supreme Court who you ask her, does she know what a woman is? And she plays dumb. All of a sudden, she doesn't know what a woman is. She doesn't know the difference between a woman and a man. And these are the type of people that this administration has put in these positions that are fucking this country up. And you just look at it. A gallon of milk, I used to say, when people used to tell me that a gallon of milk in Hawaii on a regular basis was around $10, I used to think that was crazy. That was ludicrous. And now we're approaching with this inflation that's fueled by this idiot in the Oval Office. We're going in the same direction. Never thought gas would be $3. Never thought gas would be $4. Never thought gas would be $5. Oh, we're closing in on $10 for gas too. You better believe it. This is why we need to get these liberals out of offices, local, state, and federal government. We need to sweep these goofballs out of office and to the side. Get some conservatives in there, get some libertarians in there. Because this is ridiculous. This is just part of the letter that was written. And I'm just liberal Democrat out. Just the way they're running this country, and they don't expect nobody to know any better. It's like everybody is eating a bowl of Dumbo gumbo all of a sudden. And it's just we need to sweep the House of Representatives and the Senate clean of these goofballs. And we need to get the Supreme Court back. I mean, we still in favor as far as numbers and stuff, but we need more. We need less liberals on the Supreme Court and more conservatives. Throw some libertarians up in there, because this is a bunch of nonsense, and it's gonna be a whole lot of Hail Marys that they're gonna be throwing in the next few months leading up to November. But this is a bunch of nonsense. We urge you to reject antitrust legislation that would give the Biden administration and any future administration new power to reshape the economy. Republicans should reject calls to help the left pass antitrust bills that would give unelected bureaucrats sweeping new regulatory authority. I agree. It's time to throw a monkey wrench in all their programs. Because if you don't, the Biden administration and the Democrats are going to drive this country over the cliff, and we can't allow that. We can't let that happen. So starting these primaries this fall in November, hey, get your red on. Go to these polls and vote. Vote conservative. None of that liberal crap. They don't know what a woman is. Since when we don't know the difference between a man and a woman? Oh, I'm sorry. That's only when it comes to sports. Well, it seems like it's spilling over into the rest of society, making bills and laws and stuff with the same thought ideology. It's bullshit. And I call bullshit. So I just want to do a quick video on that. And I'm gonna leave a link to this article in the description column, and you guys let me know what you think. You like my content, like, share, and subscribe. Hit up the Cash App, support the content. The Cash App, Cobra Clutch 357. All right, later.